Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to take your own screenshots from your computer, upload them to Steam, and put them on your Steam profile. It's very easy to do, so try not to skip any steps. The first thing you want to do is open up Steam, go to View, go to Recordings and Screenshots, and then you'll see the screenshots from various games. I only have one. From here, you can right click on this, click on Show on Disk, and then you'll see the folder for this game's screenshot. And that's the same for every game. The URL, the file path is the same, but these number is the game that you're currently in. Now you want to find a screenshot that you want to put on Steam. So I'm going to take this screenshot. I'm going to take this screenshot here, and this screenshot is just a screenshot of my desktop. Now, what you want to do is you want to name it the same naming convention as Steam. So that's year, month, day, hour, minute, and second, and _1. I'm just going to copy and paste. It doesn't really matter, by the way, but I'm going to copy and paste the other screenshot. Just paste it and then change this to 2005. Okay. I'm going to make a copy of this by holding down Control and clicking and dragging this. That will make a copy. I'm going to open up the copy. I'm going to say open with and open in Paint. Now from here, I'm going to resize this. Now click on Pixels, click on 200 by 125. Click OK and click Save. Now this is the thumbnail for this screenshot. By the way, this needs to be a JPEG, PNG, and other files may work, but they probably will not. Okay, take this file and move it to the thumbnail folder, and now remove the copy from the end of the file name. Now from here, you want to completely shut down Steam and then restart it, or else this will not work. Okay, go back to View, Recordings and Screenshots, and then you'll see the screenshot right here. Now, to put this on your profile, this needs to be public. So you need to right click on this, click on Share, click on Share on Steam. You can put a caption here, but you want this visibility to be public, and then hit Upload. Okay. Now, once you have done that, you can. What you want to do is go to here, click on View My Profile. Click on Edit Profile on the right hand side right here. Under Featured Showcase, you can scroll down. I have Game Collector right here. You can click on Screenshot Showcase. And then you have a couple of options you can choose from. You click here, and then you can select what screenshots you want to share. I didn't make the screenshot public, by the way, so I can't access it, but if I did, I would be able to access it now. And then you save the changes, scroll down to the bottom and click Save. And that is it. That is how you do it. If this video helped you, leave the video a like and please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Have a nice day.